So say I want to find the coefficient of b to the power of 6 in this expansion. Alright, the way you do this is using the general term, and basically, okay, so I know this. I know the general term is going to be something like this. It's going to be, the binomial coefficient is going to be 12th row of Pascal's triangle. I'm not sure what actually term along that row it is, so I do that, okay. I know that these are the two terms. I know this is going to be to the power of r, and so therefore this one will be to the power of 12 take r. Yes? Alright? That's always to the power of r, and these two have to add to 12, so I know that's 12 to the power. Okay, so what I can do is I can go about expanding this for now. Go, okay. So 2 gets put to the power of 12 take r. Okay. B squared gets put to the power of 12 take r, so I'll write that like this. Alright, and then this is negative 1 to the r over b to the r, isn't it? Okay? Alright, so if I was to expand this bracket here, that's going to give me b to the power of 24 minus 2r. Yeah? And I know I can rewrite this instead of over b to the r, that really is b to the power of negative r, isn't it? And then it's negative 1 to the r. Okay? So I've just expanded the brackets here, okay? Okay, now I'm looking for the coefficient of b to the power of 6. So I know that I've ended up with b to the power of 6 here, okay? So the exponent must end up being 6. Now, because these are the same base here, I add these two exponents. So just as a little aside, I can say, alright, I know that 24 take r, and I'm adding that one, so take the other r, that must end up equaling 6. So I know that 20, have I missed something here? Ah, I have. That should be minus 2r there, because 2 times 12 is 24, 2 times it is negative 2r. So that should be negative 2r. So that should be a negative 2r in there. Okay, so 24 take 3r is equal to 6. So negative 3r is equal to negative 18. R must be 6. So I've found what r is. Okay, once I've found what r is, I'm just going to go back up to here and put in r, and it's all just going to be very simple. So it will become r is 6, okay? If I look at this one here, it's going to be 12 take 6, so it's going to be 2 to the power of 6, okay? I don't need to consider the b's because I know they're going to end up giving me b to the power of 6, and I'm looking for the coefficient. So don't worry about the b's, just look for the other. The other one was negative 1 to the power of r, so it's actually negative 1 to the power of 6. So that is actually, and I would have b to the power of 6, wouldn't I? Okay, I just know that. Alright, so the actual coefficient is going to be all the rest. So then I get on my calculator, I figure that out. What does that give me? 59,136. So this here is the coefficient. I don't write b. If I was to write this and they ask for the coefficient, I'd be wrong, because that's not the coefficient, that's the term. So I don't write b to the power of 6. It's just this which is the coefficient. Okay, so that's using the general term to find the coefficient. I mean, there's a few steps in it, and you have to be a bit careful, but it just comes with practice.